freaking out.
I don't like the way they look. They're behind the towel. Stop! Look, they're crawling through the doorknob. Holy smokes.
It's a pretty crazy movie.
Turn it off.
Oh my gosh!
No!
There's a spider behind you.
Anything out of the house.
Becca's obviously freaking out right now.
Holy crap,
Arachnophobia.
they're all over the place. Don't! There's a spider!
You're stupid.
Not funny.
You're stupid.
There we go.
You're retarded. Why are you wearing a scarf in the house?
Because it was cold. They keep it 61 degrees in this house.
You're an idiot.
Turn it off. Turn it off.